I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't let you know the urgency of what it is that I'm doing. You guys, listen, I'm Ashley. I'm a realtor. I'm broke. I've only gotten paid twice this year. And I'm sick and tired of chasing the dangling carrot. I mean, it's always in front of me. I wear so many hats as a realtor. I'm marketing, I'm accounting, I'm an inspector, I'm an appraiser. I'm always doing all this paperwork and I'm over it. I can't do it anymore. It's exhausting, and I cannot go into the rest of my 40s not knowing what it is that I'm making every day. I have an opportunity to make $900 a day. $900 a day. I can make more than that. But $900 a day, hello, sign me up. Listen, at dailywealthonline.com, enter your email in the box, dailywealthonline.com. It'll send you the link to the blueprint. This may not be for you. I mean, seriously, it may not be for you. You may not have what it takes, but if you're scrolling and searching for how to make money online, how to have an income stream that's worth your time, this is something you need to see. I am following a blueprint. I am following successful people who are making six figures. We had a live Zoom last night with 6 of our speakers. One lady has $360,000 worth of income that she's created since July of 2023. Another person just hit 6 figures, and they've been working this blueprint for 2 months. This is the real deal. We all know that digital marketing is where it's at. You're shopping online. I'm shopping online. This is an opportunity for you to generate income, to catch up on your retirement. Are you like me? I mean, I look at my retirement. My goal has been to retire at 55. I'm in my young 40s, closer to the mid 40s, but young 40s. And when I look at my retirement number, I'm like, wait a minute, what happened? Where did that go? I don't know. Actually, it never really was that much. So I'm looking to make another stream of income so that I can beef up my account so that at 55 years old, when I want to walk away from showing houses every day and doing the grind that realtors do, I mean, it's a mini hat wearing responsibility filled, right? So go to Daily Wealth Online, enter your email in the box. Let me send you information so you can make the right choice. And if it's not for you, who do you know that's living paycheck to paycheck that this could significantly help them get to the next level? Daily Wealth Online.